Hi, I'm Bet from Bet's Makes, and this week's quick tip is easy stitch lines. I'm going to take you through the whole process, exactly where to start and how to do it. We're going to be using a circle and some score lines, and that is it. First thing we want to do is bring up a shape, and we are simply going to use a circle right now. I'm going to bring it to the center of the screen, going to change the color so we can see it, just make it larger. What I want to do now is create an offset of this particular item, and as you can see, it goes around on the outside. I am going to apply it. It comes up black. I'm just going to change it to another color. I'm going to take the center circle. I am going to change it from basic cut to score. And now I have a stitch line, but it won't be that deep. So what I want to do is duplicate that. And I want to take all three of these, and you can do this 2 or 3 times. I am just going to align them to the center. And now I am going to take all of this and I am going to attach it. And now when I have my shape, I have a stitch line on the outside that's just a depression and not a cut. And that's all there is to today's tip. So watch for the next one next week.